Konnichiwa. Today, we are in Tokyo to witness the birth of a music revolution. It is 1979, and Sony is about to change how the world listens to music forever.
Precision and discipline are the heart of our manufacturing philosophy here.
This is where the dream of music on the go started, on paper.
The design had to be small, stylish, and fit in a pocket.
We took the Pressman recorder and stripped it down to pure stereo playback.
Miniaturization means every single screw and part must be smaller than ever.
Cleanliness is vital. Dust is the enemy of high-fidelity audio. Raw materials arrive here, ready to be transformed into musical magic.
Timing is everything on this assembly line. These machines mold the high-impact plastic that forms the casing.
We use a specific metallic blue dye to give the Walkman its signature look.
Out comes the front shell, lightweight but durable enough for daily travel.
Every shell is checked by hand to ensure the surface is flawless.
This high-grade aluminum will provide a sleek silver contrast.
The metal panels are stamped with extreme force to create the buttonholes. Polishing adds that premium feel Sony is famous for. Blue and silver, a color combination that will define a generation.
Even the battery cover is engineered for a perfect snap fit.
The shells are ready to receive their electronic hearts.
Here is the brain of the Walkman, the printed circuit board.
We had to shrink a full stereo amplifier onto this tiny board.
Steady hands are required to place these miniaturized components.
Hand soldering ensures a solid connection that won't break while jogging.
It looks like a miniature city of copper and silicon.
These chips are the secret to clear, stereo sound without hiss. The wave soldering machine seals hundreds of connections in seconds.
Quality control checks for cold solder joints that could cause silence.
This little board is ready to pump out your favorite disco tracks.
Connecting the power source is the final step for the electronics.
Now we build the muscle, the tape transport mechanism.
These gears must move silently, so you only hear the music.
The rubber belt absorbs vibration, keeping the tape speed constant. This playback head reads the magnetic tape with incredible sensitivity.
Perfect alignment is critical for clear high frequencies.
A specially designed motor runs efficiently to save battery life. The mechanical click of the buttons must feel satisfying to the user.
It works. Smooth, consistent rotation. We use strobe lights to calibrate the speed to exactly 1.88 inches per second.
The mechanical hearts are finished and ready for marriage.
This is the marriage line, where plastic, metal, and electronics meet.
The circuit board is carefully screwed onto the mechanical chassis. Individual volume sliders for left and right channels, a unique feature.
2 headphone jacks, so you can share your music with a friend.
The orange Hotline button lets you talk without taking off headphones. It's a tight fit, but Japanese engineering makes it slide in perfectly.
The door snaps on, ready to hold your favorite mixtape.
The final screws seal the technology inside.
A final polish removes any fingerprints from assembly.
There they are, the first generation of personal audio.
Every unit must pass the critical listening test.
These lightweight headphones were invented specifically for this device.
We use a reference tape to check frequency response and speed.
If the sound isn't perfect, it doesn't leave the factory.
Wow, the stereo separation is incredible for something this size.
We simulate small drops to ensure it survives daily life. Checking the power flow from 2 AA batteries. The anti-rolling mechanism keeps the music steady even when shaking.
The gold sticker means it is ready for the customer.
The packaging is just as iconic as the player itself.
Styrofoam protects the precision mechanics during shipping.
Every unit comes with this stylish carrying case with a strap. The headphones are packed with care, ready to wear.
A demo tape is included, so you can listen immediately.
Instructions in multiple languages for a global audience.
Sealed tight, holding the future of music inside.
Stacks of boxes grow higher, destined for America and Europe. Off to the loading dock to begin their journey.
Thousands of units, ready to soundtrack people's lives. We have seen raw plastic and metal turn into pure joy.
It takes hundreds of dedicated hands to build just one Walkman.
I'm gonna take this for a spin. 1. Music is no longer trapped in the living room. This is the TPS-L2, and it's just the beginning.
It's got 2 jacks. Wow, that's really convenient.
From Tokyo to the world, thanks for joining the tour.